What is up YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows XP in VirtualBox. Windows XP was released in 2001 and is based on the NT kernel. So yeah, from 2001 to 2014, that has the longest support date in the NT era. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to need VirtualBox. You also need WinRAR or 7-zip, and I'm also going to give you guys the video tutorial on installing Windows XP on actual hardware on the Dell Optiplex GX520. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to click on New, and we're going to type in Windows XP, then hit Next. I'm going to bump the RAM to 512 megabytes, and then hit Next, Create, Next, Next, and then I'm going to set it in a different location. Create. Now I'm going to hit Settings, Storage, click on the empty disk, and you're going to look for your Windows XP Professional ISO, and then hit OK, and then hit Start. And then it's going to start the setup. So please wait. Then what we're going to do is we're going to hit enter, and we're going to hit format the partition using the NTFS file system quick, and then hit enter, and now it's going to format the hard drive, and then it's going to check for bad sectors, and then it's going to copy files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, so I'll be back. And now it's restarting, so do not hit any key to boot from the CD, otherwise you'll go to a constant loop. And now it's going to start Windows XP, and then you'll get to the GUI interface. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, so I'll be back. Now usually when you get to that screen, it will ask you for your keyboard and language, and then just hit next. It will come to the screen, and then we're going to type in my name, then hit next. It'll ask you for a product, and then hit next, and now it's going to come to this screen. So I'm going to type in Windows XP, and then hit next, and then hit next, and now it's going to install the network, and then it's going to copy more files to the hard drive. So right now it's installing network, might take a while for some cases, and then it's going to copy files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and pause the video, so I'll be back. And now we're ready to restart. So again, do not hit any key to boot from the CD, otherwise you'll go to a constant loop. Then you're going to click on OK, and then hit OK. And now it's going to get to the GUI interface. And there you go. You'll get the animation right there. Now I turned off the record sound. No, not record sound. I turned off the speakers on this. So we're going to hit next. And I want to make sure you choose either of these. I'm going to click on help protect my PC by turning on automatic updates now, and then hit next. Even though it's already unsupported, then you're going to skip this, and we're going to click on no, not at this time, and then hit next. And now I'm going to type in my name, and then hit next, and then finish. And now we are finished. So if I right click my computer, hit properties, it will say Microsoft Windows XP Professional Service Pack 3. So there you go. That's how to install Windows XP in VirtualBox. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon when I upload new videos. Also follow me on Twitter at RubenApodicio17 or Instagram at Ruben the Transit Fan. So I'll see you next time.